Wait. I gotta give you guys some screenshots of people who are actually generating this type of income, because if I'm just saying it, you guys are not actually going to believe me. Here, maybe here, maybe right here. Yo, before we get into the meat and potatoes, make sure you click that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to turn on post notifications. YouTube, what's going on, man? It's Last to Lose here, checking in with yet another video, helping you guys create multiple streams of income and build up that passive income. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and go ahead and smash that like button as well while you at it. Now, before I even get into the meat and potatoes, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and skip to this timestamp, because I got a quick message for my existing subscribers. Now, to my existing subscribers, first, I want to give you guys a huge thank you, because you guys have supported me this entire journey, and I'm hoping you guys support me into this next stage of this newer journey. All right. Now, if you already am a subscriber to this channel, you guys know that 100% of my content was gaming content, and you guys helped me build this channel from no subscribers to over 8,000 subscribers. So I want to give you guys a huge thank you. So with that being said, I am changing the direction of this channel from gaming to more financial. I am going to help you guys generate additional streams of income if that is what you're interested in. And I'm also going to give you guys tips and tricks on how you guys can build your passive income, so that way you can get paid without doing anything. Okay, so if you want to unsubscribe to this channel, listen, I totally respect it and I totally understand, because you guys came here for gaming, and then now I'm changing this up, you know. And I haven't posted in a very long time. I just really got disinterested in gaming and more so about building that wealth and, you know, creating multiple streams of income. So I want to give you guys a huge thank you, and hopefully you guys continue to rock with me. All right, now I'm gonna get into the meat and potatoes, and we're gonna go straight to it. All right, you guys see the title, you guys seen the thumbnail, and y'all want to know, how can y'all make some money on Twitter? I'm gonna teach you guys how you can make money on Twitter by simply doing some affiliate marketing, and I'm gonna teach you guys also how to leverage the creators of what you guys are going to be affiliating, so that way you guys can make sales even if you have no followers on Twitter, or even if you have a few followers on Twitter. Listen, I got my first couple of sales on affiliate market when I had less than 150 followers on Twitter. So I know that it's possible. Okay, now as far as it goes, if you are new to the internet, you have no clue what affiliate marketing is pretty much you're getting a commission on a sale of a product, an item, a course, whatever, and you're going to get a percentage of the sale if someone purchases said item. So say for instance, you know, you guys watch multiple videos on YouTube and people refer you to their Amazon links. You know, they're getting a commission when you go click on that link, and if you buy the product, or even if you search on Amazon in that same, you know, time span and purchase something else. Okay, now I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that exact same thing, but you guys are gonna use Twitter and leverage creators to be able to get commissions on sales of courses that they are already promoting. Okay, so first things first, the platform that you're going to be using is called Gumroad. So if you're unfamiliar with what Gumroad is, it's just a platform where people can go on there, they can create courses, and then they can sell them, whether you sell them online to Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, wherever you can put a link in a blog, a YouTube video, wherever you can put a link. Creators come here, they create products, and then they sell them. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to go to Gumroad and you're going to create an account. Now, although you may not be creating a course right now, you want to go to Gumroad so that way you can create an account, so that way when you do get added as an affiliate, the creator know what your Gumroad account email address is, so that way they can add you as an affiliate. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go to the computer, and you guys are going to pretty much follow these steps, so that way after you created your Gumroad account, you can now find you a content creator that is selling a product. That way you can go ahead and become an affiliate of their product. Okay, And then I'm gonna teach you guys how you guys can leverage them on Twitter to make money. All right, so I'm on the computer and we're gonna go to gumroad.com. All right, so I'm already signed in. So you're going to click on Discover. Okay, so now that I'm at the Discover section on Gumroad, what I'm going to do is click into where it says search for products. And then I'm going to pretty much search for a product that I can go ahead and potentially reach out to the creator so that way I can see if I can become an affiliate, right? So say for instance, I search real estate. I search real estate and just wait for it to load. Okay, so I search for real estate. And then as you can see, you have iPhone Repair Academy, ultimate list of 200 grants, cold email mastery. Now, a lot of these courses, as you can see, you have some that's $280, $297. You have a course that's $215. You have a course that's almost $300 here. So only thing that I would do then is I would say, so say for instance, if I wanted to do cold email mastery, this is for people who create lists and then they want to continue to sell to people after they either bought a product or they subscribed to an email listing. Or this is even for people who own businesses, and if a person comes to your store but they don't buy a product, you know, they may get a pop-up box that says, oh, you guys can get 20% off if you guys add your email address. And then they get added to a list, and then a service that sends out emails after they have already left for a periodic of days to send emails and then try to convert a sale that way, right? So I would come here now. I would either look this person name up on Twitter. As you guys see, I have Twitter over here on the side. I will look up this person's name on Twitter, or for a lot of creators who really have good social proof, if you scroll down, you can see that they have included screenshots, and most of those screenshots will include the person's name, right? So Black Hat Wizard, and that's wizard with 2 D's, right? So I will look up Black Hat Wizard, and that's 2 D's. And then as you can see, I found Black Hat Wizard, right? So all I would do is I will go to Black Hat Wizard's Twitter, and then I'll click on the message, right? And if they have this message, this is a beautiful thing, right? If they have this message, this is a beautiful thing. So you'll click this message, and then you'll leave them a message. Now, you don't want to be spammy. You don't want to seem like you're somebody who's not coming off as professional, because remember, they're running a business themselves, right? So when you message them, you're gonna say some things along the lines of, you know, providing some kind of value and appreciation for the actual product that they've released, right? So now, once you've reached out to the content creator who've created, you know, the course, and in this case, we use Black Hat Wizard for Black Hat Wizard in this example for the cold email mastery. Now, once you've reached out to the content creator and they've gotten your Gumroad email address and they've added you as an actual affiliate, now the next step for you to start doing is actually promoting on Twitter. So I'm going to give you some tips on how you can leverage the content creator, and then you can also leverage Twitter to be able to get sales and get people to click on your specific link. So I'm gonna go back to Twitter. As you can see, Black Hat Wizard, they do a great job of promoting their products and their services. Now, the way you're gonna leverage Black Hat Wizard or any other content creator on Twitter that you are affiliate marketing for is, as you can see, Black Hat Wizard has 38,100 plus followers on Twitter. Now, what you're gonna do is, you're not gonna be spammy when you're providing your links. What you're gonna do is when they run sales on their product, whether it's Black Hat Wizard or it's whomever, when they run sales on their products, you're gonna provide a little bit of value, and then you're gonna include your affiliate link in your tweet, right? So say for instance, for Black Hat Wizard, in his code email mastery, he says something, they said something along the lines of hard to execute with disappointing results. And you can make a tweet, saying, are you tired of putting thousands of hours and not converting sales or not converting customers? And you can make a tweet of saying, are you tired of putting in thousands of hours and sending out blast emails and not getting any conversions, right? Now, somebody who's actually selling products, somebody who actually has an email list, they're going to see a tweet like that. And then they're going to say, man, I'm actually in that situation right now. Once you create a tweet that resonates to someone's situation, they're more likely able to want to click on your link. Now, what you're going to also do is in those tweets, especially when there's a sale going on that the content creator is doing, or even if there isn't a sale, once you provide value along with your affiliate link, you're going to also at the content creator in your tweet, because you're more likely to get them to be retweeted. And even if you don't get retweeted, the people who follow them, is more likely for that post to start showing up on their feed. All right, so your next step is you want to utilize list on Twitter. Now, if you're on your phone or you're on the computer, you're just going to click list on the left hand side or wherever your list is. And in the discover new list, you're going to search for a list of things that's sort of geared around the product that you're trying to affiliate market. Now, a lot of these lists are random, but if you continue to search for them, you're going to pretty much find little niches where what you're trying to do, or the type of tweets or the type of people that you would like to communicate with, you're going to find people in this list. And then what you're going to do is you're going to follow these lists. And then in those lists, you want to make sure that you're providing value and commenting and retweeting from the people who are who are tweeting in these lists, right? So say for instance, if you find someone who is in the list and they provided a valuable, tweet, you want to go in that tweet. You don't want to post your link. What you want to do is you want to either comment in the actual tweet, or reply to somebody in the tweet, and then or even retweet someone that's in the tweet. So that way you can either get a new follower, and then as you continuously do this, people in those lists are going to recognize who you are. So even if you got to comment on 50 posts a day, eventually people are going to notice who you are, and then they're going to just start following you naturally. And then when they come to your page, they're going to see, oh, this person is selling a product, and this product looks very interesting, or is speaking to what I need at this current moment. All right, so let me just rehash and backtrack on some of the things that I said. So you're going to create a Gumroad account. When you reach out to the content creator, they can be able to add you as an affiliate. You're going to search and look for a product that you feel like you can potentially affiliate for. You're going to reach out to the creator. Once you reach out to the creator, then you're going to start using Twitter. Now, you're not going to just do this for one content creator. I want you guys to go out and at least search for at least 5 content creators that you can affiliate for, so that way you have a better chance at making sales. Because pretty much if you go to the store and you go to Walmart and they only sell bread, but somebody's coming in there and they're looking for ketchup, they're not going to buy anything, right? So you got to have multiple products that you affiliate for, because different products are going to speak to different people. Now, I don't want to make this video too long, and there's a lot more information that I can cover, but pretty much I gave you guys the basis on exactly how you guys can make 50 to 100 to 1,000 to 4,000. Wait. I got to give you guys some screenshots of people who are actually generating this type of income, because if I'm just saying it, you guys are not actually going to believe me. All right. So I'm going to post some screenshots here, maybe here, maybe right here. I'm going to post some right here. So yes, as you can see, people are making income on Gumroad by affiliate marketing for content creators and using Twitter and the following that these content creators have as leverage to be able to make sales. All right, so now that you guys have proof that it actually works, it's a lot more information that can be covered, but I don't want this video to go on and on and on and on. If you guys want more information on what kind of tweets you should put out, how you can create value-driven threads to just make people just want to follow you, and also click and purchase the products that you are affiliated for, look, down below it's a link, tweet to earn, that you guys can click out, check that out. And then that's going to provide you information on exactly how you can make more sales just by affiliate marketing on Twitter. All of the information that I provided today will put you well on your way to making your first 50 to 100. Now, if this video is helpful, I want you guys to go ahead and click that subscribe button. Look, I'm dropping videos every single Friday. Every single Friday, I'm going to drop a video geared to helping you guys create multiple streams of income and build up your passive income. Now look, there will be some videos sprinkled here and there throughout the week, but I want to make sure every single Friday you guys are going to get a video from me no matter what. So if you guys don't see another video until next Friday, I'm going to catch you guys on next Friday, and make sure you guys click that subscribe button. I'm out.